I think I'm ready to shoot a video, but first, I'm gonna let the dog out. We got about a foot of snow, and it's actually snowing right now. It's a little chilly out here. I'm gonna go back inside. So once the dog comes in, I'm gonna go pick up my office a little bit. Let's go downstairs. My office is so messy. I recently rearranged it. It was messy to begin with, but we need to do something about it before I shoot this video. I'm putting my phone on my shelf with the gimbal on the tripod. Is it following me? I don't know. I have this entire box full of family history stuff. That's my great-great-grandmother right there. Taking up a pretty good sized chunk of real estate in my tiny office. Does anyone else have a vision board? I should show that to you sometime. So, okay, I think I'm ready to shoot. So I've always been a fan of the idea of a smartphone gimbal or stabilizer for your phone, but I never really knew if the clunkiness of having an extra piece of gear was really worth the trade-off. It folds up, so it's not obnoxiously clunky. So full disclosure, Feiyutech gave me this Vlog Pocket. I got the pink one. I tried it out with my iPhone 10, and I just want to tell you what I think about it and whether it even makes sense to have a gimbal for your smartphone. So if we haven't met yet, my name is Meredith Marsh, and if you're into creating videos for YouTube and social media to grow your audience and your income online, then you're in the right place. So pros and cons. Really, I don't have any particular cons with the Vlog Pocket itself. It feels like a high quality piece of gear. It works, it stabilizes the footage, and you know, it's pretty easy to use. If you've never used a gimbal before, which I don't very often, there's some buttons and you have to kind of figure out what to press to make it do what you want to do. But overall, yes, it does stabilize the footage, and it gives you like a little bit of an extension of your hand if you're holding it out so that you can get like a wider view from the selfie angle. Now, typically, like I mentioned, I'm not always sold on the trade-off of having a clunky, bulky piece of equipment just to get smooth footage for video. I sit here and make my videos, and I like doing that. And usually gimbals are kind of fragile. There's all these little like motorized pieces, and you have to take special care. I'm curious if you own a gimbal for your camera or your smartphone. Do you use it? Was it worth the price? Was it worth the investment? Or does it just sit on a shelf somewhere? Let me know in the comments. As for the Vlog Pocket, yes, it does need to be charged, but it is foldable, and all the wonky bits lock into place so it feels secure to throw it in a bag or into your purse. You might even be able to throw it into your pocket, depends on how big your pockets are. Because it's so mobile, I probably would be more likely to use it if I remember to charge it and actually take it somewhere with me. I like that you can download the Feiyutech app. You don't have to use the app with the gimbal, but when you connect to the app, then you can use the gimbal, the button on the gimbal, to switch back and forth between photo and video mode, and also toggle between recording and not recording. So like I said, you don't have to use the app, but it is, you know, it is a little bit convenient. I could see using this for like my Instagram stories or something. I could leave the gimbal on my desk and just pop my phone into it anytime I wanted to do a stabilized story. So I could see doing that, or getting B-roll with my phone like I did to shoot this video, you know. And if I was using my phone for handheld vlog style YouTube videos, then for sure, absolutely, I think using something like the Vlog Pocket would make a lot of sense. And like I said, it is really simple to use. You just unfold it, unlock all of the different motorized and moving parts, put your phone into the cradle, and then you just press that top button, the power button, and it will literally just come to life. It's kind of creepy at first, but it just comes to life, holds it steady for you so that you can move it around. I put links down below to this exact model. It comes in black as well. You don't have to get the pink one. Now, if you are shooting videos on your phone with a smartphone gimbal, check out this next video on how to edit videos directly on your phone, or check out the video marketing playlist, where you can't go wrong there either. And if this video was helpful for you, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe before you head out. Thanks for watching. Bye.